Hello children, how are you? Welcome back to the geography classes of standard 8. Today I will continue with chapter number 2, that is population dynamics, and the topics which I am going to cover today are factors affecting population of a place, population composition and population density. Let's begin. The factors affecting the population of a place are birth rate, death rate, natural growth rate, immigration and emigration. Let us understand each of the factors in detail. What is birth rate or natality rate? Birth rate is the number of live births per thousand in a year. Then, what is death rate or mortality rate? The factors that affect the death rates are diseases, war, healthcare facilities, transport development and food. Now, natural growth rate. See, as we know that birth and death are the natural causes of population change. So, the difference between the birth rate and the death rate of a country is called natural growth rate. Let's talk about immigration now. This is the pull factor which attracts the people to move into a country. The reasons could be due to work, job or healthcare. Emigration. This refers to the push factor which makes people move permanently out of their home country or local population. It could be due to scarcity of food, overcrowding or discrimination, and there are many other reasons why a person is emigrating. Now let us talk about population composition. The population composition can be shown by a population pyramid, or it is also known as age gender pyramid. The population pyramid is a kind of bar graph. The age groups are shown on the vertical scale, where the youngest one are at the base. The percentage of the males and females within each group is given on the horizontal scale, in which males are shown on the left and females are shown on the right side of the horizontal scale. It looks like a pyramid when it's done, but rarely it is symmetrical. If the graph is like a tall dome rather than a pyramid, it shows that the population is growing slowly and the mortality rate is also slow and the birth rate is also low. Declining population is indicated by an oval shape. Let us understand population composition with the help of this bar graph. This is the population pyramid of India and China. See, on the horizontal scale, males are on the left hand side, females are on the right hand side, and same with China. This is the graph which represents population composition of India and China for the year 2015. Now we will talk about population density. It is the number of individual per unit in space. The density of population will increase when the factors are favorable, and it will decrease when the factors are unfavorable. That's all, children. I hope you have understood each of the topic that I have taught you in this video, and with this I conclude the chapter population dynamic. Thank you, children. Bye.